Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a fish net at home. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need durable nylon twine, a netting needle, and a mesh gauge to ensure uniform knot sizes. For the net's opening, select a sturdy frame or hoop, ideally between 12 and 18 inches across. Finally, prepare a handle, roughly 3 to 5 feet in length, for comfortable handling. Having these items ready makes the process much smoother. Now, let's master the fundamental netting knot. The sheet bend, or fisherman's bend, is perfect for creating strong, reliable mesh. Begin by casting on your first row of loops directly onto your chosen frame or hoop, spacing them evenly. This forms the crucial foundation of your net. Remember to consistently use your mesh gauge, aiming for loops that are 1 to 2 inches in size to ensure uniformity. With your first row established, continue knotting new rows, working your way downwards from the frame. This process builds the main body of your net. To achieve that essential bag-like shape, gradually decrease the number of loops in each subsequent row, creating a natural taper. For effective fish capture, aim for a net depth of approximately 18 to 24 inches from the frame. For the final touches, securely attach your completed net to the handle. You can use strong lashing or even small bolts for a robust connection. To enhance durability, reinforce the net's edges and any potential stress points with additional twine. If your net is for specific uses, consider adding small weights to the bottom edge. This helps with better deployment and ensures the net sinks effectively in water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.